Welcome to this video dedicated to one of the most important steps for a successful trip: organizing your itinerary efficiently. Planning your trip in advance will not only help you maximize your time at the destination but also make the entire experience smoother and more memorable. Follow these tips, and you'll be ready to explore the world efficiently and stress-free. Step 1. Define your travel goals. Before diving into planning your trip, it's essential to take a step back and reflect on your goals. Ask yourself what you truly want to achieve from this adventure. Do you want to delve deep into local culture, discovering millennia-old traditions and interacting with local communities? Or perhaps your goal is to find relaxation, with your feet in the sand and the sound of waves as the soundtrack to your vacation. Alternatively, you might be looking for an adventurous experience, ready to challenge your limits in the great outdoors. Whatever your dream is, clearly defining your travel goals will set you on the right path to create an itinerary that aligns with your expectations. With a clear vision of your desires, you'll have a compass to guide you in choosing the most suitable destinations and activities for your trip. Step 2. Determine an adequate duration. Now that you have your travel goals clear, it's time to define the duration of your trip. This decision is crucial as it will significantly impact the overall experience and your level of satisfaction. Ask yourself how much time you can dedicate to this adventure. Will it be a few days or weeks? Perhaps you're fortunate to have several months at your disposal. The duration of your trip will directly affect the number of destinations and activities you can include in your itinerary. If you have only a few days, you might prefer to focus on a single destination, immersing yourself fully in the local culture and attractions. On the other hand, a longer trip will give you the freedom to explore multiple cities or even countries, offering you a broader perspective and a variety of experiences. However, whether you have limited or ample time, always remember to leave room for relaxation and unforeseen events. An overcrowded itinerary can lead to stress and the feeling of racing against the clock. With realistic planning and space for surprises, you'll ensure a more satisfying and stress-free journey. Always remember that travel should be a rewarding experience, not a race against time. Step 3. Research and plan your destinations. The destination research phase is an exciting and crucial moment in your trip planning. This is when you begin to bring your adventure dream to life. Here's how you can make this phase even more rewarding. Sources of inspiration. Use a wide range of sources for inspiration. In addition to traditional travel guides, explore travel blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, and social media groups. Listen to the stories of travelers who have already explored the destinations that interest you. Personal experiences can provide valuable details and tips. Websites and apps. Make the most of online resources. Websites like TripAdvisor, Lonely Planet, and Booking.com offer reviews, detailed information, and planning tools. Apps like Google Maps and Airbnb can be essential during your trip. Realistic choices. Be realistic about distances between destinations. Avoid overloading your itinerary with too frequent and exhausting transfers. Spending more time in one destination rather than trying to see everything can lead to a deeper connection with the place. Remember that planning your destinations is just the beginning. Once you've selected your destinations, you can dive into the details and discover the attractions, local events, and experiences that make each place unique. Researching and planning your destinations are the foundation of an unforgettable journey. Step 4. Create a daily itinerary. Now that you have destinations in mind, let's move into the crucial phase of creating your daily itinerary. This is when your vision takes shape and transforms into a detailed plan that will make your trip efficient and unforgettable. Follow these steps to create an itinerary that perfectly suits your desires. Define key points of interest. Start by listing key points of interest in each of your destinations. These can include museums, historical sites, famous restaurants, natural parks, and anything else that particularly interests you. Distribute activities. Now, distribute these activities across the days of your trip. Make sure to take into account the opening and closing days of attractions. For example, if a museum is closed on Mondays, avoid planning a visit on that day. Prioritize activities based on your interests. This means putting at the top of the list the things you want to see or do the most. This way, even if time is limited, you ensure you don't miss what excites you the most. Free time, leave room for free time and spontaneity. Don't overload your schedule to the point of feeling stressed. Free time allows you to explore at your leisure, discover hidden places, or simply relax without a strict agenda. Creating a detailed itinerary in this way will provide you with a clear roadmap for your trip, but it will also keep you open to surprises and unexpected discoveries. A well-planned itinerary is the key to a stress-free journey and a rich set of extraordinary experiences. Step 5. Book in advance. Once you've completed your itinerary on paper, it's time to move on to the booking phase. This step is crucial to ensure an organized, stress-free trip without unpleasant surprises. Start with booking accommodations. Research hotels, bed and breakfasts, hostels, or vacation homes that fit your budget and preferences. Then move on to activities and attractions. Some popular attractions may have daily entry limits or require advance bookings. Finally, transportation. Book transportation between the main destinations of your trip. This could include flights, trains, buses, or car rentals, depending on your plan. Booking in advance will give you access to competitive rates and a better selection of options. Early booking will give you the peace of mind that you have a solid plan and have saved time and money. Now, with everything booked, you're ready to focus on experiences and fully enjoy your trip. Step 6. Stay flexible. Despite careful planning, it's crucial to understand that travel is inherently tied to the unexpected and adventure. That's why it's essential to embrace flexibility as an integral part of your itinerary. Random discoveries. Don't be afraid to deviate from the itinerary if you come across something interesting along the way. Often, unforeseen experiences are the most memorable. You might stumble upon a lively local market, make friends with a local who recommends an extraordinary restaurant, or discover a unique cultural event. Free time. Leave space in your itinerary for free time. This allows you to explore spontaneously, rest when needed, or take the time to fully appreciate a place without feeling bound by a rigid schedule. Weather changes. Weather can be unpredictable. If you've planned outdoor activities, be prepared to adjust the plan in case of adverse weather conditions. Sometimes, a rainy day can lead to surprising experiences in places you wouldn't have considered. Ultimately, travel is an adventure, and flexibility is the key to fully embracing every moment. Leave room for spontaneity, follow your passions, and go with the flow of the moment. You'll be surprised at how much it can enrich your travel experience. Step 7. Optimize transportation. A key element in planning an efficient itinerary is optimizing transportation. This step can save you time and money while making your journey more seamless and enjoyable. Here are some strategies to maximize the efficiency of your travels. Night transports. An intelligent option to save time and avoid a night in accommodation is to use night trains or buses. These allow you to cover long distances while you sleep and arrive at a new destination fresh and ready to start the day. This is particularly effective for traveling between nearby cities or countries. Passes and transportation cards. Check if the destinations on your trip offer public transportation passes or cards. These can offer significant discounts on urban and interurban travel. For example, time-based metro cards can be convenient if you plan to use public transportation frequently in a city. Light packing. Minimize your luggage. Traveling light allows you to move more quickly between destinations, avoiding long waits at check-in or baggage claim. It also saves you on extra baggage fees. Optimizing transportation is an essential step in maximizing your travel time and budget. With effective management of transportation, you'll be able to move seamlessly between destinations and make the most of every moment of your adventure. Step 8. Prepare an essential travel kit. To make your trip even more efficient and hassle-free, it's essential to prepare an essential travel kit. This kit will be your trusted resource during the journey, allowing you to save precious time and tackle challenges effectively. Here's what you should include in your essential travel kit. Pocket guide. Carry a pocket guide or an offline travel app with quick access to information about places of interest, restaurants, and local attractions. This will help you plan your days efficiently. Power bank. A power bank for your phone is essential to stay connected and charge electronic devices during transfers. Make sure you have charging cables that are compatible with your devices. Water bottle. Keep a water bottle with you at all times. This way, you can stay hydrated conveniently and save on buying bottled water. Small travel pharmacy. Create a small travel pharmacy containing first aid items such as band-aids, pain relievers, antacids, and any personal medications you may need. Personal care kit. Ensure you have essential personal hygiene items like a toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, and small towels with you. Headphones. Headphones are great for passing the time during transfers or creating a customized soundtrack for your adventures. Universal power adapter. If you're traveling abroad, carry a universal power adapter so you can plug in your electronic devices wherever you are. Preparing an essential travel kit will give you peace of mind knowing that you have everything you might need on hand during your journey. It also reduces the need to search for essential items in unfamiliar places, allowing you to focus on your adventures efficiently. In conclusion, efficiently organizing your travel itinerary is crucial to maximizing your time and experiences at the destination. Plan carefully but remain open to surprises. With a balance of planning and flexibility, you'll be ready for an extraordinary journey. Now is the time to put these strategies into practice to create an efficient and unforgettable travel itinerary. Grab pen and paper or open your computer and start planning your dream trip. And if you're ready to start planning your next adventure right now, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and leave a valuable like. The world is in your hands, so get ready for an unforgettable adventure.